are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to tell you about one of the most amazing hair masks I have ever tried, which is ta-da! Name is BELLAVITA Organic Keratin Hair Mask Spa Cream for frizzy, dry and damaged hair, and its quantity is 200 gram and its MRP is 1500 rupees, but you can get it for an amazing deal in their official website. You can see the link in the description box. I'm going to tell you how to use it, how to apply it, and will show you all the live demonstration. So keep on watching the video. Let me tell you about the ingredients of this hair mask. This hair mask contains like very good ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, shea butter, panthenol, which is also called as vitamin B5, vitamin E, and it also contains hydrolyzed keratin, which is also called as hair protein, and it will intensively repair hair damage and will soothe your frizzy hair and also improves hair texture. So I think it really worked very well for my hair. So now I'm going to tell you how to apply this. First of all, shampoo your hair and wash off your hair. Then you have to apply this hair mask and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And then lastly, you have to rinse it thoroughly with water. And that's it, you're all done. So my final thoughts on this product would be that it is a really very great product, totally organic and not very expensive also. It's very affordable, you can buy it. And मैं बोल सकती हूँ आराम से ये आपका 6 months तक चलेगा अगर आप like month में 2-3 times भी use करेंगे ना तो like आराम से चलने वाला है. So I think it's a great buy. You should totally invest in this. Thank you.